Adventurous kids explore with education and learning what a wild life is in the Everglades. I want to explore the Museum of Discovering Science. What plants do butterflies like? I want to know about Key West. Adventurous kids, learning and fun. Adventurous kids!
Today I'm going to tell you about the sun. Do you love swimming at the beach or playing outdoors with friends? How about the change in seasons? All these things are made possible by the sun. The sun is a star found at the center of the solar system, the closest star to Earth. That's why it looks so much bigger and brighter than the stars we see at night. Those other stars appear tiny because they're so much farther away. It makes up around 99.86% of the solar system's mass. The sun is 865,000 miles wide. The surface area of the sun is 11,990 times the surface area of the Earth. More than a million Earths would fit inside the sun. Without the sun, the Earth would be a frozen wasteland. No life could survive here. The sun has a huge influence on Earth, and because of this, many ancient cultures saw the sun as some type of god. The sun is over 4.5 billion years old. It started as a cloud of dust and gas. It slowly formed a massive center and gained heat. It is made of hydrogen and helium gases. Around 74% of the sun's mass is made up of hydrogen. Helium makes up around 24%, while heavier elements such as oxygen, carbon, iron, and neon make up the remaining percentage. The sun's surface temperature is around 9,941 degrees Fahrenheit. The sun's inner core is much hotter, about 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. The sun controls our seasons. Over the course of a year, Earth's tilt causes sunlight to strike it at different angles, creating seasons. It controls the weather. It controls how and when food grows. It drives the water cycle. It even controls when we are asleep and awake. Because of its size, it has a strong gravitational pull. It keeps the Earth, the moon, and the other planets in line. Without the gravity of the sun, the Earth would go spinning off into space. The sun is about 93 million miles from the Earth. Don't look directly at the sun, which can hurt your eyes and cause blindness. Scientists study the sun through special filtered telescopes. The sun has a strong magnetic field. This field causes differences in temperatures on the surface of the sun, as well as solar flares. The sun spins once every 25 days, but at its poles, it rotates once every 35 days. A solar eclipse appears when the moon is between the Earth and sun. A lunar eclipse happens when the moon passes through the shadow of the Earth, which can only occur during a full moon. The sun's atmosphere, or corona, can be seen during an eclipse. Sunspots are areas that appear dark on the surface of the sun. They appear dark because they are cooler than other parts of the sun's surface. Sunspots, as well as other solar activity, seem to follow an 11-year cycle. Solar flares are a sudden explosion of energy caused by tangling, crossing, or reorganizing of magnetic field lines near sunspots. It takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds for the light leaving the sun to reach Earth. Plants use photosynthesis in order to harness energy from the sun. You should wear sunblock when you go outside for long periods. Ultraviolet radiation that the sun gives off can cause permanent damage to your skin. Thanks for watching this Adventurous Kids episode.
What did you learn today?
Adventurous Kids!
Adventurous Kids!
What was the most interesting fact?
Adventurous Kids!
Adventurous Kids!
Adventurous